Live TV and nothing.
Want to get a little healthier, maybe lose some weight? Guys, I've got you.
Lose up to 18 pounds in your first 2 months. Lose weight fast. Money back guaranteed.
You'll get your favorite foods made healthier and perfectly balanced to put your body in fat-burning mode.
The food is delivered to your door. It's so simple. When I saw that box at my door, I was so motivated. Why not have that added layer of protection so that you can sleep well at night?
Join now and use promo code MyPromo to save 25% off.
Smells so good. And now the boiled chicken. First we saute the garlic and the onion. Now we'll add the boiled chicken.
I set your new prescription at a pharmacy. Any idea how much it will cost? I recommend GoodRx. You get free coupons to save on your prescription. Stop paying too much for your prescription.
We'll add some
Download
black
the free
pepper.
app today. Don't waste time, don't waste money, don't waste food. Just really good stuff on you. Finally get it. By using the grocery
Add black pepper like you just don't care.
now we get sustainable, affordable food delivered to us once a week. All the
It's enough for now.
no more trips to the store. My parents, grocery shopping them all the time.
Just a bit of salt,
Get 20%
not
off
much.
your first order. Code perfect at superfoods.com/TV.
And then I'll cover it. Let it simmer.
Shania Lim.
We'll add the carrots. Carrots.
But that extension gives us the kitchen I think you're after.
Okay, that's a good idea.
A porch entrance in the side of the new extension leads into the open plan kitchen.
Man, Raph put a lot of money in there. It's a good luck thing.
Filipinos are better. Cabbage.
You have a Tupperware big enough to put all that in? Already thought it out.
I'll probably have it here in the boat. Just mixing it. And there's a cool breeze from the window, which is real cool. I don't have green beans, guys, so I only have carrots and cabbage. But it's gonna be yummy sour, right? Even without green beans. Sizzle. We'll add some soy sauce. Then I'm gonna be using chicken broth.
If you could smell this, huh?
Yeah. So I need to add the broth, guys. This is chicken broth.
And 50% off a month of shakes with probiotics to help support your immune system.
Lose weight and learn how to keep
I'll
it.
add everything.
Get your nutricity
So we have
18 pounds fast.
moist pancit. I don't like dry pancit.
I don't like dry anything.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, this electric skillet really works. And of course, while we cook, we also do some cleaning. The same thing.
My neighbor offered us to, he said we could use
We'll add soaked rice noodles or bihon. And add it while it's boiling.
yours, smaller spoon.
The one that I use for coffee.
Yeah.
It's not just standing, hoping for the best. You're on the hunt now, aren't you?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're hunting the salmon, and we're hunting the salmon not with some technical net and method of fishing, but an ancient method of fishing. Much like hunting with a bow and arrow.
There's an annual quota of just 15 salmon allowed between all 8 license holders. That may not sound like much, but these are slippery fish to catch. So unlike the centuries of fishermen who have gone before us, we're hoping today fortune will favour the bold.
Keep that in front of you, and we go around the back of these fishermen.
There's a strong current. Wow.
Blindfold the net now. Got it? Yeah. Are you lower the reams onto the bed of the estuary? Yeah. Nice and quietly. Not going to weak, you'll be alright here. Yeah. Up right to the net. So you're always looking at something, sign of a fish. You've got to pick that net up and move to try and catch a fish.
That's where the hunt's on.
That's when the hunt starts, the hunting for a salmon. I mean, there's a tremendous amount of work goes into getting that fish.
Yes.
I've been out very often, I've been falling asleep on the net. You know, nothing around. There hasn't been anything around for a week. And you're nodding off, to be frank. I've had them drop over the headline as I'm picking the net up.
It looks like the corner Fraser tide is on a turn now.
Yeah, the water's running back now, Johnny. We've got no depth in the water. It's just about finished by here now.
Thank you so much, and I wish the best of luck for the rest of the season.
Thank you, Johnny.
Cheers, Martin.
All the best.
Sound a bit for me, won't you?
Very well.
Well, it's time to assess the catch from
Let's add a little bit
here in South
soy
Wales.
sauce.
And I'm hoping it won't be
Toyo.
a tale of the one that got away.
Toyo.
Well, it's fairly clear, isn't it, that Helen and Chris both favour the mystery house. How they wish to proceed from here, well, time to find out. Well, you've got your cakes ready for me, thank you very much. Sure. Well, it's the part where I normally ask you which of the 3 properties is your favourite. That's pretty clear, it's the mystery house.
Yeah, it's a bit obvious, isn't it?
But before we got there, even in the car, you were singing a different song, weren't you?
Yeah, it was just the whole setup.
Pancit is done. It tastes so good. I like it. It's just simple and it's not dry. I like it. I can't stop saying I like it because I like it. That's it for now, guys. And this is my cooking lesson. No, you guys know how to cook pancit, especially the Filipinos out there. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and again, Happy New Year. God bless us all. Bye for now. Thank you.